Welcome to another R&DW Adventures. I'm Darryl.
And I'm Renee.
And today we've got something a little different than we've done before.
Inside Adventures.
Which is a Lego build that I don't think I've told you what this one is.
No, you haven't.
So
you told me you weren't going to tell me.
So you want to open it up and see what it is?
Sure. Where did you get this?
I got that the other day from one of the big box stores when I went to get the Toys for Tots stuff.
Look how cute.
So yeah, we've got the brick heads with the Mandalorian and the child. So the Brickhead series number 113 and 114 all in the same. So this is going to be kind of a test because we have no idea how to really shoot these, and it's not like we really build that much anyway.
No, we always say we're going to, and I know I've been wanting. We saw a Yoda in one of the Lego stores, and I've been wanting Yoda for a long time, but then they came out with a more affordable Yoda, and he's creepy looking. I just find him very creepy. But they came out with a child who's not so creepy, just expensive. So we'll start small.
So we have 3 number 2 bags.
And 2 number 1 bags.
And 2 number 1 bags.
You want to build one and I build one?
Well, that would be interesting. Normally when we do these, we build together.
Right.
But, yeah, let's try each building our own. Which will be interesting since we also don't have our bowls that we usually like to put out.
we separate all the pieces so we have a clue what we're doing. Yeah. Scan the code on the front cover. Why? Oh, to get the building instructions on an iPad. You could do it that way too.
Yeah.
So should I just dump out all the pieces?
Yeah, I would say put them all like in a little pile that you can easily get to.
Sorry we're making a lot of bag noise. For any of you who watched our chip thing, you know this drives me crazy.
Well, and I'm going to shoot to put this out on Friday so that it syncs with the release of the Mandalorian episode 4.
I can't believe it's already episode 4.
I know. You want here?
Okay.
Totally.
That's it.
That's it. He goes on his thing. What I just noticed about Mando, though, he's really cool if you look at him this way, but he has his weapon back here.
Uh-huh. Well, I figure we'll do the whole thing. So this, we've got the two guys, of course. I'm kind of surprised that they're the same height, the same size.
Well, this gives you the illusion that it's floating.
Yeah. But, I mean, come on.
I know.
Look at the
Mando
size.
should be like this tall.
Mando could probably, like, almost fit into the bassinet.
Take me, he could sit on his head. Look, he'll fit. You see, they'll snap together if you want them to.
Well, because they're Legos.
I know.
But, so we've got the Mandalorian, which, you know, all the way around. We'll do a spinny spin here. But I do think this is kind of cool with the
it is. And then this
weapon
is
in
the
the
child, and it's, you can see, this would never close over his head, but the bassinet, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, the child is way too big for the bassinet.
He is. Because he's really like, he should only be like here. That's how much he sticks out.
Is it starting to come apart though?
No.
Okay.
It's like that. I
Yeah.
had to check here too. You can see it. So.
But, you know, overall I think they're very cute.
They are very cute.
It's this whole thing that they're trying with the brick heads that, yeah, it's kind of...
Brick heads are kind of like caricatures.
Yeah, it reminds me of like the Funko Pop.
Right, they have big heads and their bodies don't necessarily match.
Yeah, it's the same kind of style, but it's cute.
It is cute.
I like them.
Cute.
Especially because it was like $20 for the set. I think they're like $10 to buy one if you want one. So they're not too bad.
No, they're cute.
You know, these will go up on the shelf behind us probably for the series, you know, for shooting.
Above the other Yoda. The other child.
The other child?
Yes.
Yeah. Who's hiding?
There he is.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there. That's the one that actually talks and everything.
Oh. I love him, but today we saw one also that came with a frog instead of a medallion, which would have been
Well, but
really
it's
fun.
not the
He doesn't
animated
talk?
one.
Oh.
So the whole point. Okay, go to sleep. the whole point of this one is that he's the animated one.
Is that him snoring?
Yes, that's him snoring.
Oh.
And
Ozzy's
it
interested
does drive
too.
the dog nuts. So,
So we don't do it too much because he's gonna bark. Any minute he's gonna bark. See? He wants to know why there's something else happening at the table without him. Good boy,
we'll have to
Fozzie.
see what happens with this video and how it actually comes together. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. But,
Put
you know.
him down and let him snore. Okay, now his eyes aren't closing. It's just creepy.
Right, so he'll go back over here.
Yeah.
We'll have to see how this turns out. We have a ton more builds lined up. We've got a bunch of stuff we've been buying.
We're planning for being inside again.
Yes, as
Yay,
we get
Michigan.
as we get COVID lockdown orders or whatever, just nasty weather for the most part. That we don't want to go
today
outside.
wasn't that cold, but it was so windy.
It was.
We're lucky we haven't lost power.
Yeah, we had power drop a few times and come right back. If you look at the outage map from the utility, we have outages all around us.
All around us.
All around us. It's scary. But, getting back to what I was talking about, we do have a bunch more Lego stuff to build, including a Nintendo...
Mario Brothers.
No. The NES build. We've got that one. We've got some more Disney stuff to build, including the Steamboat Willie that I never got around to building.
Yeah.
And we have the
photography
architecture.
one. Oh, and the architecture. We have a lot of things to do.
Yeah, so we've got a bunch of these, and if this worked out well, hopefully it did, we'll know what to do for the next one. But I think we have some technical stuff to work on. Mm-hmm. But click on the subscribe over there so that you get notified of all of that stuff. And over here, we're going to put another video for you guys to check out, and hopefully you'll enjoy that one as well.